Hello guys, welcome back to literature classes. This is Abhilasha. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic related to NET exam, that is Harlem Renaissance. What is this Harlem Renaissance? Harlem Renaissance was a very popular term just after the World War First. World War First came in 1914 till 1917. Just after World War First, this Harlem Renaissance came. What is this Harlem Renaissance? Actually, we'll discuss in the video. So, without doing a further delay, let's get started. See guys, a remarkable period of creativity in literature. Music, dance, painting, art, science and sculpture. This was a period of creativity. Harlem Renaissance was very much popular period and it was a period of creativity. Creativity in literature, in art, in dancing, in painting, in science and sculpture. Means this was a movement. It came why? Because of the darkness of these things. Means the dance, literature, painting, the creativity of these fields are disappeared. So to create the new things in these fields, or you can say in these eras, this Harlem Renaissance came. And in which area this Harlem Renaissance came? It was occurred after World War First. It was started from 1970 till 1920. It was flourished. This was a very popular for Afro-American. And this Harlem Renaissance term came in a subsequent place, or you can say in a particular place that is known as Manhattan, a place which is situated in America, Manhattan, and the place where it was started, that is a locality of Manhattan known as Harlem. That's why Harlem Renaissance. From the locality of Harlem, this movement named. So, and after these things, a Great Depression came in 1929. This was also a remarkable period of Harlem Renaissance. A work which was written by Zora Neale Hurston. The work was Their Eyes Were Watching God. This was published in 1937. And from this work, the Harlem Renaissance period was ended. Almost the period was ended. Totally the end of the period is shown in this work. And that's why this work is also called as the late product of Harlem Renaissance. There were some poets, some novelists and essayists were associated from this Harlem Renaissance. What were they? Means how many poets and novelists were associated, I am going to tell you. So, the very famous poet is Countee Cullen, Claude McKay, Langston Hughes, Sterling Brown. These were poets of Harlem Renaissance. Novelists are Jean Tomer, J.C. Fawcett, Wallace Thurman. There were also novelists like James Weldon Johnson, Marcus Garvey, Anna Bontemps. These were the essayists. Friends, you have to remember these poets, novelists and essayists' name. You have to mug up this because the question is asked from Harlem Renaissance and they ask always the poet's name or novelist name or essayist name. So you have to learn this very carefully. Why this Harlem Renaissance was started? Actually, this was started to re-establish the Afro-American culture. Afro-American culture, why it was to reestablish? Because the Afro-American culture was almost disappeared, so they want to reestablish it. Whatever the things of literature, music, dance and paintings has been disappeared, they want to reestablish all of these things. They were doing a thing, that is, they want to escape the legal segregation of the Americans, so that to take the advantages of jobs which was opened in North America. And when it was opened just after the war. So they want to escape the legal segregation and to want to reestablish the culture which was almost disappeared. The black people were neglected. So the things which were disappeared in literature, in dance and paintings, the Afro-American, African people were neglected. These Harlem Renaissance poets, novelists want to reestablish these things, want to renew these things again. So that's why this period occurred in literature. It was a period of literature also and other fields, related to other fields. So this was Harlem Renaissance. You have to remember only the things like in which year it came and in which country, mainly Manhattan and Harlem, which was a place of America, and the year, almost the field in which this Harlem Renaissance was very popular, and the poets, novelist and essayist name. That's it. So this was Harlem Renaissance totally. I hope you would like this video. So that's it for today. I'll meet you very soon in the next video lecture. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.